decided to make a move.
Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today for Tuesday 11 of October. Sorry for that cheesy announcement. Press the bell icon when you subscribe. Now, here we are on the weekly time frame. We finally got a little bit of a move from Bitcoin. Thank God, finally we did something after a whole waiting, for many days right now, many ages right now, and we got a little bit of a pop down to $19,056. Bitcoin was never really good, but if you look at the weekly time frame, I'm trying to figure out what is going on. And remember, 2 days from now, 13th of October, you have a big news coming in that can affect the market. Now, possibly if we start to dump today, tomorrow, whatever, you're going to be looking to go to the downside. But eventually, I am expecting Bitcoin to come down to this low, 17,600. Take that low and make a new low down here, maybe at 15,000, 14,000. As I spoke before, you see the reversal wave is actually there. Okay, so from the bottom here to the top right there, that's your fib retracement. You can see that even the last week that you actually pump up to 20,500 was your golden ratio. You've lost the golden ratio, my friend. You're actually looking to sweep down to this low right there, which is going to be 14,095. Now, there are possibilities of even coming down to 12,000 and stay at 12,000 before moving up and then drop to 9,000 maybe, which is a technical target out of that bear flag as well. So you got to be very careful. And at the moment, if you look at this one on the weekly time frame, someone can possibly say that that's your bear flag in the making, and you might be looking for the next technical target to drop from this area to that area, and we're looking for a pop to the downside, and that's actually going to take you all the way down to 16,124, and then from there business picks all the way down to 14,000. Now let's look at Cardano, because Cardano has taken out the last low. So you can see this low right here, and I've been saying this for a long time that Cardano is actually looking to drop to 0.1943. okay, you came down like this, you made that bear flag, you dropped down, you went back to retest the bear flag, got rejected. Now this is a swing trade, okay, this is not like a daily time frame, and you can see how many wicks it's taken. It could probably take even 3-4 months before coming down finally to that area. But the point in here is that you had this wick for Cardano, okay, so that was your lowest wick at 40 cents, and then finally you made a new low right here, and you're looking to continue to move even lower. Now that actually gives you signs for Bitcoin being interested to come down to 17,000 and take out 17,000. Now, I'm not going to complicate things. I'm just going to leave it very simple, and it's a very simple Fibonacci retracement technical target. The bottom to the top here, we're looking for the next impulsive move to the downside. We've already made correction move to the upside, which was 22,000 back in 12 September, and from here my next technical target is actually going to be 1.618, but it's going to take time, because again, I'm looking at the weekly time frame. It could be in November that you actually come down there. Possibly my best guess is in November, and then come down here, spend some time down. Who knows, you can actually go just a little bit below and spend some time here, make another new range, make another one like this, and make one last drop down to 8,000. And that's where you have the last technical target out of a monthly time frame. Now from here, it depends on how the news are going to come in. Can the Fed come in and make some good news on the interest rate to reduce the interest rate? We can actually reach a pivot point for Bitcoin. DXY can get bearish, and this is where my bottom out to continue higher. But if things get worse, we're going to talk about even next technical targets. Never say never, but at least for now, based on a swing concept, I do see 14,000 in the nearest future. And that's pretty much it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this quick update on Bitcoin, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.